Should I go with Python or R to begin with machine learning? Both Python and R have fantastic online support. Between these two, Python is preferred if you're new to coding. According to Developer Economics Survey, machine learning engineers who are into sentiment analysis prefer Python. Before we go too far, let me tell you what's my favorite, which is Python, because it's easy to learn and it's a multi-purpose language as well. You can build a quick utility to get your job done. According to Google search volumes, Python is the number one programming language, and it has the large global community for developers to get help. One of the active ones, very active forum. Also, the 2021 Stackoverflow survey says Python is the number one programming language in demand on job market. So if you're a Python programmer, your future looks bright. There are great free resources available for you to get up to speed in Python in right about 2 weeks. Number one, python.org. You can start right from the source to download the latest version and to get the latest updates. Number two, learnpython.org. It's a great source for you to start from Hello World program to data science modules to that one's level. You can also watch the Python playlist on YouTube. Especially for beginners, I recommend the one from Code Basics. Dawal Patel have explained it in a simple language. I highly recommend. At the end, it comes down to your personal interest and preference. Doesn't matter whether you pick Python or R, you'll be able to have a successful career in machine learning for sure. Thanks for watching and stay ready.